I spotted another mango tree here. Look at the size of this trunk. That's tall. It's probably like maybe 10 foot tall, 15, 10, 12, 13 foot tall. And then this is a sapodilla. Looks like those are the flowers. Oh, another one next to it I didn't see here. It's in a pot. Oh my God, look at this guava. Giant guava. Wow, look at the trunk of the guava tree here. That's just amazing. A huge guava tree. Another mango tree here. Oh, look at the fruits on this one. There's fruit there. Looks like there's bee here too. We got bees going. Look at all the bees.